Back in 2020, when we heard the Le Mans Classic was going to be cancelled due to very obvious reasons, we were kind of heartbroken. And I know that may sound silly, but to us, the Le Mans Classic is like going to a completely different planet and living in a completely different world. And it's only when you come back home after being at the Le Mans Classic for 4 or 5 days that you truly realize what you've been doing, where you've been, and that you've been living in a completely different world where everything is about cars, everything is about the history of Le Mans, everything is about the most amazing cars that you've ever seen, especially when you can do something like this in a classic car with a bunch of friends. It's such a special weekend. It's such an unforgettable weekend that you can kind of start to get emotional when you're on your way home, because you know that the weekend is over, you know that it will never come back. Luckily though, it's organized every 2 years, so we'll be able to go back very, very soon. But still, at that moment, you're just thinking about all the amazing things that you've seen over the span of 4 or 5 days, and you're just happy that it was real. You're just happy that all those things actually happened, and that when you woke up in the morning, you were still heading towards Mulsanne or Arnage or the paddock at Le Mans. By the time that it's dusk, by the time that the sun is setting, you're back home just enjoying your own bed, enjoying a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or anything like that. But yeah, it's pretty crazy what happens at the Le Mans Classic.